Hey guys, this is Alan Tosco back again with another video. The time is 11 o'clock in the night. I'm not sleepy, so I'm doing some recording of Call of Duty right now. So, I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe and share and enjoy this match. I'm going to do a shotgun only right now. The last match I played was knife only, where I got 17 kills. Not bad. 15 or 17, I don't know. But I got more than 15 kills. That's what I'm going to say. And look, I will be only using this. I don't know, but next time you are the ones who are going to tell me what to play, okay? She's using a pistol. He's using a sniper. He's using SMG. Like, we all are using something different. I don't know. Nice. Oh no! Huh? Somebody's coming from this. He won already. 151. Wow. What a score is that? Nice. Acha. Well played. Well played then. अच्छा है ना? अच्छा खेला. Okay, I'll show you everything I did. So I'll just see who got the high score, who is not. Okay, I'm the MVP. Nice. I'm on Elite 4. Oh, really? Nice. Nice. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye for now. And let me see this crate. I'll show you me opening this crate in front of you. Don't know. It's going dark, right? Yeah, I know. I'm going dark, right? I just get somebody one. I got the chopper. I got the chopper. No way. Look. Looks so beautiful. Nope. This looks so beautiful. Whoa. Let's see the gun camo. Aki's you? Okay, I'll take you. Chica, bye. Okay, I equipped you. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye for now.